Hi, and welcome to today's MS4 employee training. Today we'll be talking about road maintenance, including pothole repair, shoulder maintenance, and disposal of associated waste and wastewater. Paved streets and roads are large impervious surfaces. During rain, water cannot infiltrate into the pavement, but runs off into storm drains and ditches, often carrying with it pollution such as heavy metals, oil, bacteria, nutrients, and trash. Numerous best management practices can be implemented to keep runoff clean and to prevent contaminated runoff from flowing to our lakes and rivers. Never use coal tar-based sealants. Use water-based paints when marking pavement. Mix limited amounts of asphalt or concrete, only what is needed for the job to reduce waste. Now let's talk about some specific road maintenance situations.
Stockpile protection. Poor stockpile protection can be a huge source of sediment-laden runoff. That's why it's important to always be smart when it comes to your stockpiles. The first thing to think about when talking about stockpiles is placement. Where should they be located? Always place stockpiles of soil, gravel, and other materials as far away as possible from nearby drainage areas. Next up, perimeter barriers. You can stop sediment using a perimeter barrier on your stockpiles. These can take the form of berms, dikes, fiber rolls, silt fence, or gravel bags. During winter and rainy days, always cover up your stockpiles. And if you have bagged material, always keep it on a pallet and under cover.
Materials used for pavement marking present threats to the environment. Overspray, dust, spills and leaks, fuel, hydraulic fluid, and oil from marking paint and tools can make their way to storm drains and directly into waterways. You can prevent these pollutants from contaminating our water by scheduling pavement marking for dry weather and low wind days. Loading and transferring paint away from storm drains. Using drop cloths and drip pans in paint mixing areas. Properly maintaining and cleaning application equipment. Do not use volatile organic compounds such as petroleum to liquefy asphalt, also known as cutback asphalt. Cutback asphalt produces high ozone levels, a threat to both people and the environment. Instead, consider using emulsified asphalt products. Coal tar sealants have been outlawed in Minnesota since 2014 and should not be used, as they are a major source of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. PAHs are chemicals that occur when coal, oil, gas, etc. are burned and are carcinogenic to humans and toxic to aquatic life. Pre-treat grader blades, truck beds, tires, asphalt distributors, and other equipment with vegetable oil or a similar approved product as a release agent for asphalt. You can use a hand sprayer to apply vegetable oil. Schedule pothole repair for dry weather days. Promptly fill cracks and joints in concrete pavement to prevent moisture from entering and damaging the road. Use the following techniques to minimize environmental impacts. Clean cracks prior to sealing using a broom or compressed air. Stockpile resurfacing materials properly. Identify, cover, and seal nearby storm drains and maintenance holes prior to repairs. Leave covers in place until the work is complete and sealants have drained or evaporated. Clean any debris from covered storm drains or maintenance holes. Pre-treat or load hot material away from storm drains. Plan this work for a dry weather day. Curb and sidewalk repair may use a compressor, jackhammer, or saw cutter and require disposal of removed materials. Leaks, spills, and concrete washout can release pollutants such as fuel, hydraulic fluid, oil, sediment, and concrete dust into storm drains, ditches, and water bodies. Be sure to identify and cover storm drains with appropriate materials, such as sandbags or impermeable tarps with aggregate covering. Use permeable surfaces where possible. This allows runoff to filter and recharge the water tables. Using porous surfaces will reduce the volume of runoff in a given area and the need for curbing and storm drains. Permeable pavers may substitute for conventional pavement on parking areas with light traffic, bike lanes, sidewalks, and other areas if the grades, subsoils, drainage, and other characteristics such as groundwater flow are suitable. Thanks for protecting our water resources.